Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the US dollar yen, I mean, we are sitting at this low right here, and like I said yesterday, I think it would make sense for it to go up and make like a more proper ABC, maybe up to a higher fib level before it goes down. But the problem is that we are definitely in a downtrend on all these higher time frames. When you're in a downtrend on all the higher time frames, what is more likely to happen is when you start coming up with reasons to trade counter trend, what is more likely to happen is it just keeps on going down and you end up losing because you're trying to trade against a very strong trend. So I personally am definitely still looking for shorts only. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down right here, which is actually like a perfect 5 waves down. So that's a perfect little trend right there. More than likely, this is going to end up making some sort of a 3 way pattern up or possibly a 5 way pattern up to a Fibonacci retracement level. And then I think there's a very good likelihood we are still going to continue the downtrend. Now, if the daily time frame does make like an engulfing move to the upside or something like that, then I'll be more than happy to stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs. But until that happens, I am definitely looking for shorts all the way. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.